Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Z, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on BTS-Dimple on Garageband. Well, this app is only on iPhone, so whoever has an iPhone, you can play this. So, I just saw a comment that asked me to do a tutorial, so I'm going to do the tutorial. Okay. So I guess let's get started, and I'm also gonna use the real piano keys. So if you want to learn on a real piano or keyboard, even better then. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start with the intro. So let's start on the intro. The first one start with C, and then start with A sharp, and then start with G. So just repeat it, but remember the tempo, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 times. And when you start singing, it's gotta be G, F, D, and A sharp. Or in this one, it's gonna be this. So it's gonna be like this. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 on the A sharp. So it's gonna be. And then continue with that. It's gonna like when you then you're gonna start. It's gonna be A sharp, if I'm correct. If this is A sharp, or this is what, G sharp? Nah, will be sharp. It's A sharp, right? So I'm not good at piano anyway, like I said. So it's A sharp, A sharp, C, E sharp, F, G. So and then after that you're gonna repeat the first one. So you're gonna repeat. So it's like the first one is like. I forgot the lyrics. Right? So I'm sorry, I forgot the lyrics. So when you repeat the second one, then it's gonna be the same but without the F and G. So it's gonna be A sharp. So A sharp, C sharp. My bad. A sharp, C, D sharp, D sharp. So all together, it's gonna be. that, it's gonna be like. It's gonna be like that, right? So it's if I'm correct, it's gonna be. So my GarageBand is gonna start with C4 or C on the keyboard or piano. So and then C again, then D sharp, then F. So when you go to F, you can repeat like 8. So yeah, it's gonna be 8. So that's how you do it. Like when you make it fast, right? So the second one is the same thing. It's gonna be the same. But G again. So did I do it right? And then it's gonna be the same thing as well, but instead of F and G, the last one is gonna be just F. F, 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 F. So okay. So same thing. F, that means C. So after that part, it's gonna be it's gonna be my bad. It's gonna be so this one, and then this one. The second one is gonna be twice. So so it's A sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G. So A sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G, D sharp, and F sharp. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay, got it. I'm not that good in tutorials because this is my first time doing it. Okay, so let's get to the next one. So next one is kepojokan illegal. It's gonna be so it's gonna be G sharp. Just follow me, okay? So kepojokan illegal. And right, and then you know that it's gonna be so it's gonna be D sharp, and then A sharp, and then F, G, back to D sharp, and then back to F, and then C, and then D sharp again, and then A sharp. So all together it's gonna be and if you go to like Chonje, Chache, Kabonje, I don't know if I even saying it right. So Chonje, Cha, so Chonje, Chache, Kabonje, if I'm right. Tana, tana, tanana. It's gonna be after this one, right? Then just repeat the G and F. So G F G F G F, and then repeat that again. Like repeat the first one I taught you, like Chonje, Chache, Bonje, right? And then repeat. And then again. Okay, and then you continue with na 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 na. So that one's gonna be so then F C 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Wait, let me count again. So the D sharp is 7 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then C. And then F G C. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So F G. Just repeat that again. Na 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 na. So right, twice, and then goes back to Kapojigen illegal girl. So it's gonna be the same. And then after that, the last one's gonna be but I want you anyway. So it's gonna be D sharp. But I want you anyway. Just feel it. So all together, it's gonna be like this. So I hope you can learn from this video, because I'm not that good of a teacher. I'm not that good at teaching people. But if you want to learn it if you want to learn it on the piano or the keyboard, I'll link you to a video that I learned this from, because I learned from a YouTube video as well. I'll link it in the description below. And yeah, thank you for watching. And also, I'm teaching this on a Garageband for the iPhone or iPad. So if anyone wants to learn how to play it on the Garageband, there it is. I know it's fast, like I know I'm teaching it this fast, but I hope you will learn from this one, because if not, then I'm sorry. If not, then you can just learn from the video that I will link on the description, because I hope you can pick it up better, because I gotta pick it up too, but I hope it'll help. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it helps you, because if it's not, then don't leave a like. Alright then, I'll see you guys in the next video or so. See ya.
Must let you know ใส่เนื้อโบเน่ signal โบเน่ใส่เนื้อโบเน่